Welcome back to the channel. I'm Richard. This is Mud, Mods and Beers, and today we're going to put that rooftop tent up on the roof. Let's get into it. Last week at the Glassy, we went through a couple of tracks. There was 7 in the convoy. I was at the back, and every track we went through, all the cars made it through with whatever level of difficulty they had. It seemed every time I went through in Luxy, I would have massive wheel lifts. Center of gravity's just that much higher. There's nearly 100 kilos sitting on the roof. Love the tent, not getting rid of it, but if I can store it away, I do use this as a daily driver, so it's going to help with fuel economy too. But the plan is just store it up on the roof and only bring it down when we're actually going camping. And the rest of the time, it's going to be a bit better. I've gone to Bunnings, I've got myself a electric hoist. It was just about $122, I think. It's rated for 100 kilos, so that should just about cover the tent. I've got some soft straps, some anchor points for ratcheting. When we put it up, we'll ratchet it up, and just some big timber screws. So that's kind of what we're going to do today. I've no plan how to do this. I don't really know if it's going to work, so let's find out together. Goes through there. Right, it is time for the test. Well, it's not really a test. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we're going to have a dent on top of the roof.
That rooftop of that shower tent's weighing it down.
All good? Just have a look. I'm just going to have a look and see.
Slow down.
It's just unknotting the first
Yeah,
time.
it's fine.
Yeah, slow down when you do it.
It does. It's only got one speed though.
Yeah, but like you don't.
What's the speed, Andy?
Why bring it all the way down?
Well, it's just because we're drilling into it.
That's like 80% of our work.
Really?
Yeah, we work with Tino every day.
Oh, every day, every week.
What does Tino do all day? Does Tino... crash helmet on. Oh, sorry.
It's a 97 kilo with the solar panel?
No. All the shower tent.
Oh.
Wait, these are good ratchet straps. Sure we're not using these ones.
Sure we are. Yep. Beautiful.
It's about at least
Oh,
nearly a foot of space, isn't
that's beautiful.
it? Is it just level? Have a quick. It's a bit lower at the back than the front.
Oh, that's all right. That's fine. It's exactly what we wanted. That's perfect. I'm super happy with that. This has actually worked out better than expected. I think even Andy was surprised at how well it worked out because I think he had a fair few reservations, but we've done it. It's up there, it's out of the way, it's doing what it says it wants to do. Really happy. Join us next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.